Guys, welcome to another video. Today what I'll be sharing with you is how you can buy cryptocurrency and then how you can convert your earnings from cryptocurrency back to hard cash in your bank account, on your card. All right, and I'm going to be using a platform called Noons. You probably used to Paxful, but Paxful is no longer, they're shutting down. So the new platform is called Noons. All right, so what is Noons? It is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency marketplace, mostly for Bitcoin and USDT and Ethereum, where it allows users to buy and sell Bitcoin with over 300 payment methods. All right, in this video, we'll show you how to create an account and navigate the platform and complete a trade on Noons. All right, so to create an account, there will be a link in the description. You click on that. You sign up with your email address and set a password. And once you're logged in, I would definitely advise you to set up your security. Let me go here. So to set up, you should enable 2FA security just to keep it secured. You can verify your phone number, and you also can verify your identity by uploading a government issued ID. All right, so that would be the first thing that you do to keep your account secured. All right, so now if we go to the marketplace, let's say I wanted to buy some USDT. You click the drop down here for marketplace. All right, and then you would see these are the sellers that are in Jamaica right now selling USDT. So if I wanted to buy this person, you can see that they only do link transfer and they are verified. So I like to buy from verified sellers, and this person was online 7 minutes ago. So, and also you can check the thumbs up here. That's basically positive feedback from all the transactions that this person did. So it's called Express Exchange. And I will also have an offer on the platform as well, where you can buy USDT from me. My handle is CryptoBoss876. All right, as you can see here. So what would happen is, first you look here, the minimum purchase is 1566 JMD. That's pretty much 10 USDT, and the maximum is 100,000. So you'd click on buy right here, and then what you would do is you would select the amount. So let's say I wanted to buy $5,000 worth. It's showing me that I would get $29 USDT. All right, so then I would select buy now, and then it would initiate a series of explanations. So it's showing me that I would get the link information for this person, so I could then go ahead and transfer. But what happens is that Paxful will hold the money for you. So in order for the person to do the transfer, they would need to have that $5,000 worth of USDT in their Paxful account. So what Paxful does, it would hold on to that $5,000 worth of USDT. I would send the $5,000 to the person's link account, and then after the person confirms that they received that $5,000, then Noons will go ahead and release that funds to me in my wallet. As you can see, if you click on wallet right here, you also get a free wallet with the Noons platform. So as you can see, this is your USDT wallet. So I have $11 here. So if I want to send money to this wallet, I would click on receive, and it will give me the wallet address. But you don't have to do that when you're buying on the platform. Once you buy USDT on the platform, it's automatically sent to this. But for me, I have crypto investments from other platforms. So when I withdraw, I would just click on receive, and I put the address here to send that money to this. And now if I want to withdraw this $11 back to Jamaican dollars, I would just come to marketplace, and then I would go to sell USDT right here. And once I click on sell, it would give me a list of vendors that are currently buying USDT. So this person is buying 1 USDT for 136 JMD, and that's how they make money. They sell it lower than the rate that is, because it's now 150 thereabout for the rate. So they make a profit of $14 per every $1. All right, so that's another way you can earn money by using this platform. So the next thing I want to talk about here is navigating the platform. So once your account is verified, you'll be taken to this dashboard. You have your wallet balance here. You can check your wallet balance, your trade history. All right, and you can choose from a range of payment methods. You have persons that only accept NCB, Scotiabank, you name it. Some persons accept link, gift cards. There's a lot of payment methods on this platform. All right, so I've showed you how to complete a trade, and there's also a chat window that will open up once you initiate a trade, where you can talk in real time with the person you're buying from. So if you need any explanation, if you need any help to deposit, I normally walk the person through how to do that. All right, and so that's pretty much the essence of how you can buy cryptocurrency to do investments, or whether you want to just invest in cryptocurrency and save some Bitcoin as the price goes up, or you want to convert your cryptocurrency back to cash that you can use. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. Just remember to choose reputable sellers, and always communicate through the platform's chat system. Don't let anyone invite you to communicate externally, all right, because the platform has securities in place to keep your funds as safe as possible. All right, so if you have any questions, you can also reach out to their customer support. That's this little chat thing down here. All right, and then that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, you can definitely leave them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to assist. And remember to share this video, like, subscribe.